It's summer and the air is hot. It's hot inside Mary's house. Mary's lives with her mother, father and her brother Jay. Her grandmother lives with them too. Mary's grandmother is old and sick. She lays on her bed all day. The old woman is sick. Her husband has died. She often talks to his photograph. Yes, husband. Oh, it's in the well and it's in a bucket of water. Thank you. Mary and her mother are in grandmother's room. Mary's mother brings some food and water. Please go to the well, says grandmother. Bring me some water in the bucket. There is no well here, Ma, says Mary's mother. You live in the town now. We have water and it comes from the tap. Mary's mother speaks quietly to her daughter. Grandmother is sick. Mary says she is not thinking clearly. Mary's mother gives the old woman some water. No, says grandmother. Go to the farm's well. We must not visit the old farm now, Ma. Mary's mother says, the farm is near the volcano. The volcano is dangerous. There is fire and smoke. Soldiers are gardening the roads. Grandmother doesn't hear her. Go to the well, grandmother says again. Bring me the bucket of water. Please hurry. I will go, says Mary. I will walk to the farm. I know the way. Mary tells her father and brothers about the well. Mary, you must not visit the farm. The volcano is near the farm. The volcano is dangerous. I will go with Mary. We will get the water for grandmother. The next morning, Mary and Jay get up early. Mary puts some bread and a sausage in her bag. She puts a bottle of water in the bag too. Jay and Mary are on the way. The air is hot. The air is full of dust. At the checkpoint, Mary and Jay meet a soldier. He talks to them. The volcano isn't dangerous. We are going to our grandmother's farm. She is sick. She wants water from the well. It will cure her sickness. You are going to get some magic water? Bring me some too. Mary and Jay stop next to a bridge. They eat their lunch. There is a small house next to the bridge. A friendly woman lives there. She talks to Mary and Jay. She has a small dog. It's a small red dog. Mary gives the dog some sausage. Where are you going? The woman asks. It's a hard day. We are going to our grandmother's farm. Mary replied, she is sick. She wants water from the well. Take some water from my well. It's good and fresh water. That's a good idea, Mary. It's a very hard day. I don't want to walk anymore. Jay asked. Okay, Jay, stay here. I will go to the farm alone. Mary walks on. After a minute, Jay follows her. They walk and they walk. There are no houses here. There are no animals. There is dry grass and there is dust. They hear a sound. What is that sound? Jay asks. Is someone calling us? No, it's the sound of the wind. Mary replied. No, it's not the wind. It's a ghost. I'm afraid of ghosts. There are no ghosts here. Mary and Jay are at the farm. Jay sees oranges on a tree. He doesn't see any ghosts. He pulls some oranges from the tree. Mary and Jay find the well. Its cover is broken. Jay lifts the cover. The water doesn't smell good. Oh, this water is bad, Mary, says J. We must take some water for grandmother. Mary replies, we must get the bucket. We must pull this through. They hold the rope, they pull, and they pull. The bucket is very heavy. At last, the bucket is out of the well. It is full of dirty water. Mary empties the bucket. Mary and Jay have a surprise. Gold! There are gold coins. Yes, I remember these. They are grandmother's coin. Mary and Jay are carrying the bucket. It's heavy. There are lots of oranges in the bucket. The gold coins are under the oranges. Mary and Jay are meet a gang of boys near the bridge. What is in your bucket? The boys shout. Ah, oranges, give them to us. The small red dog runs out of the house. He barks at the gang of boys. He barks and he barks. The friendly woman comes out of the house. The boys run away. Mary and Jay are at the checkpoint. The soldier looks in the bucket. You don't have any magic water? No, we have some magic oranges. Mary and Jay gave the soldier some oranges. The soldier smiles at them. Mary and Jay are at the home now. Their grandmother is lying in her bed. Is that my bucket of water? No, it's grandmother's gold. Everybody laughed. They are very happy. Grandmother looks at her husband's photo and she smiles. Suddenly, they hear a sound. Is it the sound of the wind? Thank you.